Your software can't find its instructions because the Microsoft Foundation Class 100 English Library DLL is gone. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll show you exactly how to restore that connection. Avoid long manual edits for Microsoft Foundation Class 100 English Library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Microsoft Foundation Class 100 English Library, the English ENU localized resource library for the MFC 2010 redistributable. It contains the text, icons, and menus for C++ desktop software. If missing, applications will display resource load failure or will render a UI with missing text labels, often crashing when attempting to open a dialog box. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This issue is typically resolved by refreshing the Microsoft Visual C++ installation. Download the x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables directly from Microsoft and run the setup to repair the runtime. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Microsoft Foundation Class 100 English Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like Microsoft Foundation Class 100 English Library DLL. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for Microsoft Foundation Class 100 English Library. If Microsoft Foundation Class 100 English Library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.